the people that are having a hard time making a pledge on my Seed and Spark campaign. So here's a quick direction. You go to the campaign page. Underneath When to a Caribbean Horror Short, you'll see a blue button that says Make a Pledge. Click that button. Put in the amount that you want to pledge. Let's say it's $100. Continue. You pick an incentive, which is a reward. You can choose to support without an incentive or pick one of the options that's listed here. You have to actually click on the picture. So let's say I'll take the $100 one, pledge where your name is included in the credits in the film. You click that picture. You're going to scroll down. The tip to Seed and Spark, for everyone that has asked, that does not go to me. It goes directly to Seed and Spark. You can take your time to read it here. The tip helps them with the free support and workshops that they offer to the campaigners. So you can choose to give a tip, or you click other and you would leave it blank. So let's say I'm going to leave it as 25%. Proceed to payment. You put your email address here and check out as guest, unless you are a returning member. You put your information there. If not, check out as guest with your email address. Put your backer's name. Hi, Joe, whatever. I'm just putting that there just for example purposes. You can choose to have your name listed publicly, or if you want to remain anonymous. If you want to, you can leave it yes, no. Let's say you want to be anonymous. You put your credit card information here. You can choose to create an account and create a password. You don't have to. If you want to, you can just skip that. You scroll down to the bottom and you click complete order, and that's it. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for the support.